Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Vlookup function step by step with a real example. If you've ever needed to pull specific info from a huge data set, this function is a total lifesaver. Let's dive in. First, we've got a simple table with 3 columns: student ID, name, and status. Now, imagine you want to type a student ID in one cell, and Excel will tell you if that student pass, fail, or not appear. We'll make that happen with Vlookup. In cell E2, type the student ID you want to search. Then, in cell F2, let's write the Vlookup formula to find the status. Once done, press Enter, and boom! Try changing the student ID in cell E2. See how the result updates automatically? And that's how you use Vlookup in Excel. It's perfect for searching through large lists and saves you tons of time. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.